The best part of the President's Club is the chance to collaborate with my peers. I don't see them very often, and we get to share ideas, but also to experience really the culture that is movement.
You're the best of the best. And so time to bring you guys together to say thank you. This whole week it's for you. It's for you to rest. It's for you to rejuvenate. It's for you to refire and refresh and be inspired by one another. So go ahead and raise your glasses. Salute. Here's to you, change makers. Yeah.
3, 2, 1, change makers!
G-O-O-D-M-O-R-I-N-G, good morning! Good morning! Turn me up!
My favorite part of President's Club is getting back to the why. Why I'm here, and to listen to KTT give us a purpose, it's right here. And it makes me want to go back and deliver it to everybody.
It's everything. That's why I'm here, to see and be part of something that continues to evolve, that continues to try to grow, and to build something not just for its employees, but to build something that's really gonna impact everybody operationally, functionally, to help us operate on a more efficient level, to reach more people, to help more people, and have a larger impact.
It all came down to the training. You know, Jake's a worthy adversary, and, you know, we just had a better game.
I think it was nice of him to let us, as a
Guests of the event.
yes, to win. So we did good.
Movement pours back into us, and they show us every day, from leadership all the way down, that we matter. Our message is that people matter.
I think it's so special what we do. We're different than every other company in the world on how we approach business. And it feels wonderful to be part of something that's just bigger than just lending money. It feels great to be more than a mortgage and have a legacy impact of what we do. It's like no other company. And I love being part of something that stands for something bigger.